from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 2017 plate. Doing a rear brake light, which is the left one, near side one we're doing. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. Now could you please put the position lamps on? Now as you can see here, you've got all three working. That's for the position lamp. And then this one here, you've got three working as well for position lamp. Now can you press the brakes please? Now you see here, you've only got brake light working on the outer side of it, which is correct. So you don't have stop lamps here. And on this side, the outer one's not working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to replace the stop lamp on the left side. So lights off please. Okay. And if you did want the bulb, you can find out in the description. You know, it's a 380 bulb because it's a double filament, because you've got a position lamp working and the brake lamp working at the same time. So that means it'll be a double filament bulb. But in some cars, you do get the single filament bulb which works both as well, like the brake light and the stop lamp, which is going to be a 382. I'll show you now. First thing first, what you need to do is remove this cover here. Now this cover is quite easy if you can wedge your fingers in. So pull this out, and then pull it towards you. So you've got these little lugs here, so kind of slot in. Okay. Now then you've got two little screws right here. So you need a Phillips screwdriver. If you've got one, that's brilliant. So undo the top one first, and make sure you don't drop the screw anywhere. And then you do that one there. Make sure you don't drop it. And then all you do is wedge your fingers in and then pull it out towards you. So the thing that was stopping it is these two little lugs there which slots in there, and then this bit here which slots in there as well. Now easy thing on this one, if you wanted to replace the indicator bulb, I'm assuming, yep, that's that one right there. And then this one here is the stop lamp. So take it out. Now you got to remember the rubber seal. Make sure the rubber seal is always on there. Right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bulb out. Like I said, it's a double filament bulb, which is a 380 bulb. That can be found in the description. Now if you did find this video useful and it did help you and save you a lot of money, what you could do is there's a thanks button, the new feature on YouTube now, there's a thanks button which you can gift Tajmotormedics some money. But if you did gift anything through that, that would then go through charity. I mean, it won't come to the company, it will go to charity straight away. So what you got to do, line it up, line this up as well. So if I do this and then I slot it in, job done. I then put the cover screws back on, which is that one there, so it's the bottom one. And make sure when you finish, complete the job, just have a look around, see if it's sitting in nicely, you know. So I'll screw this in, and then I've got this bit going back in, so this is a straightforward job as well. So you line it up and then you push it in. That's it. What we're going to do now is check the lights if they're working. Can you press the brakes for me please? That's it, lovely. As you can see now, that one there is working, this one here is working as well. Let go of the brakes and put up position lamps, brakes. Brilliant, that's all good. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.